Hi and welcome back to my channel. As the earlier video mentioned, we need to put a needle into the hollow needle bar. I'm using size 5. I have tested that the nipple I put on the machine in the earlier video uses size 5. Now you'll need to check all of the nipples before using them to check which needle size you need. I've got a size 5 here, but it won't fit through, so this might be size 4 or size 3. You'll need to test each one before using. Now, I put the needle bar hole, the needle hole at the front, and the hollow for the fill, which I'm putting the needle into now. I hope you can see. The larger hole is for, or the taper edge one, is for your fill thread, which will come through from the top of the machine. That needs to be at the back when you have your handle and stitch length tab at the front. Insert your needle bar. Now you'll need to go carefully to make sure that the needle comes through the correct hole. Have patience when doing this. It'll eventually pop out the bottom. And you'll see it hit your fabric. Now the way to tell if you got it into the hole correctly is rotate your handle and you'll notice if the needle stays relatively straight. Then you know you've got it into the needle hole rather than the fill stitch hole. Of course, to confirm further, you can stab the fabric and you'll know because it fits through the hole in the needle plate. So, just like the normal single needle chain stitch, when you've got your handle at the front, you need the opening of your hook at the front and adjust the height accordingly to the stitch type that you're looking for. So a tight stitch is further down and a loose stitch will be further up. You tighten the needle bar in exactly the same system you would for a single needle machine. You now only have the one wing nut there at the top. Just tighten it that little bit with the pliers, never be too excessive. Check that your stitch is working before we go to the next level.